जय विष्णुपाद परमहंस शिला वकील महाराज महाराज की जय।
धन्यवाद महाराज।
धन्यवाद। जय ओम विष्णुपाद जगत गुरु श्रील भक्ति सुंदर गोविंद देव गोसाई महाराज की जय। विश्ववरेण्य श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय। ओम विष्णुपाद जगत गुरु श्रील भक्ति रक्त श्रीधर देव गोसाई महाराज की जय। जय सपरिकर श्री श्री गुरु गौरंग गंधर्व गोविंद सुंदर जीव की जय। ओम विष्णुपद भगवान श्री श्रील प्रभुपद की जय। रूपानुग गुरु वर्गो की जय। नमाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की जय। जय वृंदावन भक्ति देवी की जय। श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड श्री गिरी गोवर्धन की जय। श्री मायापुर धाम श्री नवोद्धाम श्री वृंदावन मथुरा की जय। पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्रों की जय। बलदेव सुभद्रा जगन्नाथ जी की जय। अग्रवर्षित मायापुर जगोपीठ की जय। श्री चैतन्य सरस्वती मठ की जय। समगत श्री गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। ऑल द assembled devotees की जय। ऑल द वर्ल्ड वाइड devotees की जय। समगत श्री गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। ऑल द सन्यासी ब्रह्मचारी भक्त वृंदो की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। ऑल द वर्ल्ड वाइड डिवोटीज की जय। निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी यू ऑल by the mercy of Gurudev. Today we are here the weekly class in the conference with the devotees. I am seeing almost all the devotees is there. They are very happy. And I am getting some bad news from Brazil that so much San Paulo devotees so much afraid because there are so much coronavirus attacked in Brazil. Brazil devotees are here today. Brazil Damodar Prabhu is here. Damodar Prabhu is here. Damodar, Brazil from San Paulo. And Joyvardhan is here. I saw Joyvardhan, but
धन्यवाद महाराज।
where is Ravindra Krishna?
He should be joining us. We are just waiting.
That is Shiva Krishna is here. Shiva Krishna. Yes. I saw Shiva Krishna. And Dandavad. And here is Prabhu Vishnu's father, Ramananda. And all over the devotees I am seeing Krishna Keshav.
धन्यवाद महाराज।
Shanta Maharaj is there. Haribandhu is here.
धन्यवाद महाराज। धन्यवाद महाराज। धन्यवाद महाराज।
धन्यवाद। This is new.
This is from Malaysia.
Malaysia. Who is from Malaysia?
No. Basically here.
Malaysia, anybody have there?
Okay.
धन्यवाद महाराज।
Jai Sri are there. Okay.
Ramindu say धन्यवाद।
Nakul San.
Yes.
धन्यवाद महाराज।
Nakul San, what is the name?
Ramindu
Ramendu.
say धन्यवाद महाराज। And other devotee, Prema Sundari. Here is Prabir. Prabir. Oh, Prabir. Many of the devotees are here. I am saying
धन्यवाद महाराज। रेवती धन्यवाद।
Revati, yes. Dandavad Didi.
धन्यवाद।
Revati.
धन्यवाद प्रणाम गुरुदेव।
Dijo Hari. Dui jana Dijo Hari.
This is
This from London.
yes.
उमा देवी दास महाराज
Uma.
दंडवत प्रणाम गुरुदेव
Uma is there. Arjun from where?
Arjun from Mysore
Kathakast.
Mysore
Arjun. How are you, Arjun? Ah. Arjun from which country? Venezuela. Very nice.
Very nice Maharaj दंडवत
Dandavad, Dandavad. I'm very happy. All the devotees joined today in the class. Actually, our practicing life, how we should maintain the practicing life, that is the main things. Day by day are passing, every day going, every moment we have to use, and all of our source we should use for the service for the Lord, service for our Gurudev. Under guidance of Gurudev, we proper practicing we do, we must get our real home. That is the main things, that faith is necessary, that always everything have to be used for the service for the Lord. Yes, is running. Everything is used for the service for the Lord, and our main mantra is this we have to concentrate our mind, everything, all senses, to the one place, to the lotus feet of Sri Gurudev, Srila Gurudev. Srila Gurudev only we have hope, we have no other way. Sri Guru and Sri Gurudev only can take us and engaging me to service for the Lord. And we have the greatest desire for that. Then one day we will get that kind of opportunity to engage the service. Our Gurudev always try to everybody for engaging the service of the Lord. That is the main things. But our Adjopak means our previous karma, previous works we cannot properly, cannot fully surrender to the Lord. Sharanagati is want of Sharanagati. Sharanagati is the main things. When you proper surrender to the Lord or Gurudev, then their duty, they will take us to the Lord. Other, if we will depend for ourselves, we want to depend ourselves, that is not good. Always not be defender, always surrender. That is the surrender mood is necessary. Surrender mood can be take us to the proper place. Because when you proper surrender to you, After that you have no any duty. Only duty we will do surrender, and what Gurudev and Guru Varga what they told, we will follow that instruction. After that, their duty, what they will do with us. For that, mainly surrender is necessary. Shraddha shabde Vishwas kahe Sudhiro Nirchaya. Sudhiro is greatest faith. Sudhiro. Sudhiro faith, greatest faith. Sudhiro, Shraddha shabde Vishwas kahe Sudhiro Nirchaya. Krishna bhakti koile sarva karma krita. That is, we surrender to the Lord, surrender to the Gurudev, and Gurudev is the nearest friend of the Lord. For that, He will take me to the Lord. And we can avoid to coming and going, birth and death through that. In this way, we can practicing properly to the Krishna consciousness. But mainly our life is not fully surrendered. For that, sometimes we are going away from the service. Service and always Maya is taking us. Maya is engaging us for her service. Maya Devi always trying to take us from the Krishna's service and engaging her service. Maya Devi's duty is like that. But if we have a strongest faith and fully surrender and always Sravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam, Bandhanam, Dasyasakya, Atmanivedanam, through this Navavida Bhakti, Adau Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Tato Bhajana Kriya, Tato Anartha Nivriti, Tato Nishtha, Tato Ashokti, Tato Ruchi, Tato Ashokti, আমি পাঠ করছি এখন পরে কথা বলতে হবে তত নিষ্ঠা তত রুচি in this way তত নিষ্ঠা তত রুচি. If in this way we are practicing properly, gone down.
No.
And good association necessary for that. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, good association necessary. What is the Ananya Bhilash? Ananya Bhilash means only service for Krishna, no other thinking. Only how you will make please to the Lord's friend Gurudev, how you will make this. That is the thinking. Other thinking is the Ananya Bhilash. That is Ananya Bhilash means only thinking for Krishna. Ananya Bhilash and Ananya Bhilash. Then Rupa Goswami told Ananya Bhilashita Shunna Jnana Karma Vidam. Ananya Bhilashita Shunna and Ananya Abhilash Sari is other thinking, other material desire. How we will make ourselves too much rich, too much money, too much thinking, too much property, too much wealth, too much family enjoyment. I will make these things. This we think that is called material desire. Then material desire That's গ্রাম্য কথা, গ্রাম্য বার্তা, আসক্তি, গ্রাম্য কথায় আসক্তি। That's will we take us away from the service. This is the main things, always sadhu sanga, good association, through the scripture, through the books, through the lecture, through the kirtan. If you singing on Vaishnava song, you remember the Vaishnava's quality. You singing the Gurudev songs, you can remind the Gurudev's face in your heart. You can singing the Nityananda Prabhu's glorification song, you can remember in Nityananda Prabhu's pastimes. You can singing the Gauranga Mahaprabhu's glorification song, you can remind in your heart in the Gauranga Mahaprabhu's pastimes. In this way, Srila Prabhupada, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Srila Guru Maharaj, Gurudev, in this way they are taking practice, they are making the practice in this way. They are not mixing so much with the other people, too much mixing to the who is not engaging service himself, they are not mixing with this kind of people. This is this kind of service, making the garland, taking the Tulusi, care of Tulusi Parikrama, Sadhu Sangha, Arati Kirtan, Parikrama, everything engaging from the beginning, from the early in the morning, from the time until going to sleep, you have to engage yourself for the service for the Lord. In this way we should do that. In this way we should do that. How we make the more service for the devotees, I will make the more proper guidance of the Gurudev, how we can take the guidance of Gurudev that is necessary for our spiritual life. In this way you can continue. In this way you can continue your practitioner life and not so much thinking. One day we have to die, one day born we have to die, and what's happening, everything is happening is by the Lord. What Lord want, it will be happen. Few days before, too much cyclone, too much storm, too much wind here in Calcutta. What you have no hand with others. So much problem in Calcutta. Still in so many places, no electricity. আমি পাঠ করছি, পরে ফোন করছি, আমি পাঠ করছি, হ্যাঁ পরে ফোন করছি, মনোরঞ্জন একটু যেতে বলছে, ঠিক আছে, পরে ফোন করব। Stay in this way you can, sometimes mind is always frequent, mind is always going here, chanchal mind, but you have to concentrate through mind is through the chanting the holy name. You chanting the loudly is holy name, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Chanting the holy name loudly. Going to the toilet, going to the shower, going to take prasadam, always thinking the Krishna. Prasadam came, you have to offer to prasadam to the Lord, and prasadam came to me, you should honor to the prasadam. Like honor to the prasadam, like this honor, you give honor to the prasadam. And it is coming to you, that is Krishna's prasad, Gurudev's prasad is coming to you. And Gurudev's lecture, Guru Maharaj's lecture, if you hear, and it is a Guru Prasad is coming to you. In this way, you should continue. You should continue your practitioner life. The Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Sevan, Mathura Bar, Shraddhai, Sri Murti Sevan. If you Navadvip Dham Mahatma reading, every day you are remembering Navadvip Dham Mahatma, you are doing Parikrama last year. This year March, then you remember you are sometimes I am reading Navadip Dham Mahatya and some devotee also reading and they are telling me, but when I am reading I am thinking I am in that place. They are telling me is Navadip Dham Mahatya what's composed this year in Bengali. So many Bengali devotees are reading and they are telling me was very nice. When I am reading I am thinking I am in that place. I am Rudradev. I am Shimantadev. Connection was lost. Some virus.
No, some connection was lost.
Huh?
Connection was.
Why? Then what do you do?
Connect again.
Jump. Krishna Kinkar came to program.
Oh, come.
You learn English, por favor?
Yes.
Maharaj, we lost your connection in between. Now, okay, Maharaj.
Now is okay.
Yes, yes, Maharaj.
But that I did not talk. So when some devotees are reading glorification of Navadip Dham Mahatma, reading at that telling, the Maharaj, when I am reading Shimantadip's glorification, we are thinking, I am thinking that I am in Shimantadip now. That's thinking. Always read the books and make your habit to read the books. And problem is this kind of generation is not so habit to read the books, always to see in the mobile phone. Understand? They are always busy their mobile phone. There is keep phone bole? What phone?
Smartphone.
A smartphone, yes. Okay. Yes. Okay?
Yeah, yes.
Saraswati.
No, this is Vishaka from Costa Rica.
Costa Rica. Vishaka. Oh, Vishaka. Costa Rica from Vishaka from Costa Rica.
Didi Vishaka de Costa Rica, Maharaj te está hablando, por favor deja de compartir tu pantalla y puedes activar tu micrófono.
¿Qué bolsa?
That he's on mistake. He put share screen. He's sharing his screen. He doesn't know.
No problem. Krishna will arrange everything. So many devotees I am seeing. No Brazil.
Yes, especially there is January. There is.
Who is the Brazil?
Mathuranath.
Mathuranath.
Dandavat Pranam Acharya Devi, Janavi Devidasi, Mathuranath Prabhu is here. Damodara Prabhu is also watching.
Okay, very nice. Be careful. There are so many corona is now Brazil. In
Yes,
San
all
Paulo.
devotees are okay.
San Paulo. Then World Health Organization, who? They are selling the Brazil San Paulo is the hottest spot. Okay, by the mercy of Gurudev, I am thinking Krishna will protect all of our devotees. Srila Janardhan Maharaj, Dandavat. ¿Cómo estás, Maharaj?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm fine.
My Dandavat pranams, Maharaj.
Dandavat. Hare Krishna.
Dandavat.
Dandavat.
Very good. It's early Well, it's 7 o'clock in the morning here, so now I feel like the sun has risen because I can see your face.
Okay.
And Jeevan, I am here with Jeevana and also Devaki. You know Devaki, Shrutashrava's daughter?
Yes,
Devaki?
I know Devaki very well.
Yeah. And also Pitambar is here.
Where is Jivana?
Here.
Oh, Dandavad Didi, how are you? I'm very happy.
Maharaj, for always reading your website, for loving your website.
Okay, very nice.
Amazing.
Very nice to meet you. Devaki, oh Devaki. You must.
Hey, you're lucky.
Okay.
Very happy to see your beautiful face.
Okay, okay. Very nice. Very nice.
And Maharaj is doing many classes for us too, Maharaj.
Okay, okay.
So today is our deity's installation.
Installation
anniversary.
day. Sri Sri Guru Gauranga Gandharvika Giridhari.
Giridhari.
Yes.
Shri Guru Gauranga Gandharvika Giridhari.
Giridhari, yes. Guru Gauranga Gandharvika Giridhari. Yes, Maharaj. Okay. Any other question from anybody? Ram Ratan Prabhu from Sitwan. I am seeing. Ram Ratan, how are you? Ram Ratan.
Dandavats Maharaj, I'm good.
Okay.
Dandavats Maharaj, I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine, I'm fine. I'm fine. Gaurango is here. Gaurango from Brazil. Amalendu from Russia.
I apologize.
Amalendu from Russia. Rabindra Krishna.
Dandavats Maharaj.
Where do you know? Okay.
Hello.
How are you?
Yes, Maharaj, everybody is fine.
Okay. I am okay.
Cyclone okay, huh? No problem.
No problem. Dayal Nitai. Oh, Dayal. Dandavad. Where is Mahalakshmi?
Yeah, yes.
Dandavad, Dandavad. Very nice.
Yes.
Who is that?
From Colombia.
Jai Gauranga. Jai Gauranga from Colombia. Who is there?
There is Jagat Mohan.
Jagat Mohan from
Vietnam, Colombia.
Colombia. Jagat Mohan. Jannavi from
Brazil.
Jannavi from Brazil.
Jagat Mohan y mi esposa Narayani Maharaj.
Yes, Dandavad, Dandavad.
Ya, Dandavad.
Jannavi.
Yes, Maharaj.
Okay. Ishani from Philippines. Jannavi is here. Jannavi, how are you? San Paulo, huh? Jannavi from San Paulo. Gaurango from San Paulo.
No, this is Guranga.
Dandavad Maharaj.
Dandavad.
Who? From
Maharaj, Dandavad. Maharaj, I have a question.
Yes.
You were telling about Dham Seva is very important many times. So how can one do the proper Dham Seva?
Dham Seva. In the many ways you can do Dham Seva. In the many ways. Guru Varga are making the temple in Dham. Many Dhams. Guru Varga are making the temple. Anyhow, you can help, you can do their service. How much your capacity? Through your capacity, you can do some cleaning, do some service. Any way you can service. Dham, proper Dham Seva. There is, and Madhai, Jagai Madhai. Madhai is doing Dham Seva. So many people, that time no toilet. People are passing stool in the Ganges, and Madhai is taking the stool and putting under the soil. With the, what is called English? Some tools. What is called? Kodal. Kodal English ki Maharaj? Kodal?
I don't know, but the English name.
Yes, Hex, like something. With this, their mother is doing that service. Nityananda Prabhu gave that, Mahaprabhu gave that service. That is called Madhai Ghat. Every year we are going to Parikrama from last year. That is Madhai Ghat. Madhai is, everybody is going to bathe in the Ganges, and people are passing stool in the bank of the Ganges, and Madhai is cleaning that Ganges. That service, that is Dham Seva. That is Dham Seva doing. And I did some Dham Seva many years before. That time no street light in the Mayapur. Mayapur, no street light in the Mayapur. Right, night time is too much. Every temple have light, but no street light. And I went to the government, making application, praying, and they, after that they allotment gave some. They on every pole, every electric pole, they are making the light. This way I made Dham Seva. Understand? And Dham Vaishnav, when Navadvip Dham Parikrama is going on, you can see from Dham Seva Samiti. I am the secretary of the Dham Seva Samiti, and that Seva Samiti is sitting in the under the chair and under the umbrella, and they are sometimes distributing the sweet water and giving the water to the who is the doing parikrama. This way can make Dham Seva. In this way, so many ways making the Dham Seva. Understand? And I am making the temple in Mayapur, and some devotees are helping to slowly they are helping. I am also making the building construction. For the devotee staying more. Every year I am doing parikrama, and so many people have to stay in the outside, and that is very painful for me. And I am making, in the lockdown period, I did not stop the construction work. Even Nishingapur, even Mayapur, even Ulubaria. 3 places going on. In this way, devotees are helping slowly. Understand? If one devotee giving $1 every day, that is $30 per month. And on year $360. That is, devotees are giving in this way. Who has capacity, they are giving. Who has no capacity, he also giving their heart and soul. They are supporting. Everybody cannot give the money. Everybody has no that kind of capacity. But everybody giving their heart, everybody giving their support, that is sufficient. That is sufficient. Because it's Navadvip Dham Parikrama time, so many devotees are coming from around the world. And I need more accommodation to stay in the temple. Understand? For in this way, devotees are making Dham Seva. Devotees are making Dham Seva. When I joined to the mission in Chaitanya Saraswati Math, that time, that Mayapur is a picnic spot. Outsider people, they are thinking Mayapur is a picnic spot. Picnic. Outsider people, they are throwing so many garbage everywhere. They are cutting the goat, chicken, and they are making festival. For that I make the court case against this kind of high court. And the high court gave the order, the Mayapur cannot be a picnic place. Mayapur is the religious place, is the birthplace of Mahaprabhu. Everybody we should take care of, and from the high court they gave order that no one can make a picnic there, and no one make dirty to the picnic, dirt to the place. This is one kind of Dham Seva. Understand? Sometimes we can do Navadvip Dham Parikrama time, one day we get time, we can cleaning the Ganges. When we are in Navadvip, Koletdanga main temple, that time devotees are cleaning in the Govindakund. I saw. That is Dham Seva. Understand? After festival, Ekachakra after festival is 2 Mass. Prasadam plate here, there, and devotees whole day, night cleaning and caking. That is called Dham Seva. In this way, making the Dham Seva. Understand? So many ways you can do Dham Seva. As much your capacity. Okay, Maharaj, you got your answer?
Yes, Maharaj. Thank you very much, Maharaj.
ধামবাসী জনে পরিণতি করিব. Who is staying in the Dham, Navadvip Dham? Problem actually we have so much ego. We cannot do proper through our ego. We cannot leave our Ajyapat, means what is previous karma, which area we are coming from, that kind of generation. We cannot leave that kind of things. Understand easily. We cannot understand easily. We do not know how to make the harmony with everything. Necessary with harmony. Harmony is the main things. We have to shoot harmony with those kind of things. In this way, we can do our service properly. Understand?
Talking about harmony with the environment, Maharaj?
Yes. Sometimes we cannot leave our Ajyapat. Ajyapat means what culture we born, what caste we born. Sometimes we cannot leave that kind of culture. Understand? But slowly practicing, we are capable to do that. We are capable to do that. Understand? For that, devotees are thinking many places now alone, so much boring. in this place, lockdown and period, it's so much boring. And work from home is also difficult. Laziness coming. And so much thinking. How we make the business properly. How we will maintain our family life after economical problem. It's so much thinking. It is depend upon Krishna. If you surrender to the Krishna, surrender to the Lord, not to think so much, not to make yourself to sickness. You thinking, you are becoming sick. But it is the wills of Krishna, wills of the Lord. What is happening, what will happen, what is happening, everything is good. Even somebody dead, not sad, somebody born, not so much happy. It's same. Devotees is same. Devotees anywhere living in the hell, that is same. When Parvati is giving cards to Chitraketu, and Chitraketu no thinking anything. Parvati giving cards, you should go to the hell. And Chitraketu did not think anything. Chitraketu thinking, what will happen? It is will of Krishna. And for that, for the devotees, is hell or jail or heaven or Goloka, it is same. They will, anywhere they will go, they will chanting the holy name. They will lock down in the house, they will chant the holy name. They will do service for the Lord. Because devotees, everything is that. Devotees for everything is the same. For that, no fear for death or anything of attack. But we have to be careful ourselves. We have to say for ourselves, we have good brain, we have good shumedha, good brain. We have to use that brain for proper way. That is the main things. Okay? Any other question? Any other question from anybody? Lakshmikanti is here. Lakshmikanti is here.
Yes, I have a question, Maharaj. Dandavad.
Do you have any question?
Yes.
Okay.
Here we have like so many people from Indian culture, and then they say, I'm vegetarian, I worship Krishna, I don't need a guru. So that's why it's difficult to preach to those people, because they think like, what? They already worship Krishna, they have Tulasi, they already vegetarian, so how can we preach to those people? How can we make them understand why a guru is necessary?
Yes, they are telling. Yes, they can tell. But everything, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself accept the Guru. Krishna himself accept the Guru. Krishna himself accept the Guru. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accept the Guru. For that we should follow them. Everything you want to learn cooks, you need on Guru also. You learn cook, you have to, you necessary to learn cook, then you need on Guru also. Somebody will, Shiksha Guru who will teach you for cooking. For that it is necessary. Without Guru you cannot reach in the Krishna. You worshipping Krishna, Krishna himself told, who is telling he is my devotee. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita also telling, who is my devotee, he is not my devotee. Krishna himself told, who is my devotee's devotee, he is my devotee. Krishna himself told that. Who is telling that? Not necessarily Guru. Krishna himself told, who is telling that he is the devotee of Krishna. But Krishna told that he is not my devotee. Who is my devotee's devotee? He is my devotee.
Maharaj, can I ask a question?
Oh.
Maharaj, in this world, there are a lot of devotees sincerely seeking for a guru, and what happens is they end up with a wrong guru. So they want to worship Krishna or Shiva or Ganesh, but they have a wrong guru because now there's a lot of many bogus gurus all over the world. But they are sincerely still worshipping Krishna. They're offering the flower, they are singing some chanting and everything. But there are so many, but they are following the
It is not devotion. It is not devotion. Ringing the bell, giving some followers, is all Hindu people is doing that. All Hindu people is doing that. That is not devotion. That is not devotion. I write that. I wrote in the chapter 3rd, Upadesh 3, guidance 3rd. About that kind of guru, I wrote everything. Guidance 3, you can see that. Somebody is ringing the bell and evening time giving some puja. They have material desire. They have material desire for that. They are worshipping to the Lord for their own interest. For that it is not devotion. Some bogus guru also giving initiation for his own interest. That is not proper guru. Guru will not give initiation for his own interest. Guru will give initiation for the benefit of his disciples. For the benefit of his disciples. He will thinking for disciples how he will reach proper way. I will guide him. Okay. Vaishnavi.
Okay, Maharaj.
How are you, Vaishnavi?
Very good. Dandavats, Maharaj.
Your daughter, your two son is okay?
Very
Yes,
good.
Maharaj.
Sleeping.
Sleeping.
Sleeping. Both are sleeping.
Yes.
What time now?
Now is
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Oh.
10 p.m.
10 p.m. It's too much for the children.
Too much for us with the children.
Hey, Mahajogi is there. Dandavad Maharaj. Today no Gadadhar. Where is Saraswati? Saraswati is there. Ramanand.
Yes.
Any other question?
Dandavad Sri Acharya Dev.
Yes.
Question, Gurudev. You said early that one who has no money for service, maybe we can give our heart to the service. How we can give the heart to the service?
How you can give heart? You cannot understand. If somebody is following his guru properly, 100% properly following his guru, they are giving heart. Only heart and soul. Heart and soul, everything have to do that. What service Gurudev gave, you proper to do that service. You proper do that service. Proper way do that service. You thinking you are not doing service, service will stop never. Gurudev is allowing to other to do that service to other people. Gurudev means Baladev. Baladev with giving with 10 hands is doing service for Lord. Baladev is always doing service to the Lord with 10 hands. And on service somebody stop and Gurudev is arranging someone to do that service. Anyhow he is making that service. Understand? It is Ashray Vigraha Baladev's duty. How he will make happy to Krishna. If somebody is not doing service for Krishna, Baladev is always ready to do that. Guru is ready to do that proper. Is somewhere stopping, he is arranging someone to stop, to doing that. Krishna always arranging for him.
Maharaj, Prabhu Hiridai Ballava has a question.
Yes.
Dandava Pranaz.
Yes.
Maharaj.
Yes.
Please accept my humble Dandava Pranams. Hay una cosa, mi pregunta, Prabhu Gauranga ya fue esa pregunta, ¿no? Ya él ya respondió a la pregunta. Esa pregunta que parecida, esa misma pregunta casi iba a ser yo, ¿no? Acerca de cómo era el Guru. Maharaj ya respondió esa pregunta, yo estoy feliz con su respuesta. I'm happy to see you, Acharya Deva.
Okay.
Dandava Pranam.
Thank you.
The question was answered yet. Lakshmi Rani Didi has a question. She says, we are controlled by the forces of fear. How can we get the shadow of your lotus feet?
¿Puedes repetir? Yo no aquí no se entendió.
Lakshmi Rani pregunta.
Tell Spanish.
En español.
¿Puedo preguntar? ¿Cómo podemos obtener la sombra de los pies del loto de Gurudev? Ya que estamos controlados por las fuerzas del temor y el sufrimiento en este mundo.
Why he fear?
She's saying that we are controlled by that fear and suffering in this world.
Oh, that is mind is always control your mind. Control your mind, and you think through your mind, through your heart. If you follow the proper guidance of Guru, then that way you can practice and you can enter the shadow of Gurudev.
I lost something.
You lost?
I love your were saying.
Actually, always control your mind. With the brain you control your mind, and you will free from the fear, and you will, through the guidance of Guru, what is his advice. If you follow properly, you can enter to the shadow of the Gurudev's lotus feet.
Así que generalmente esto sucede por la mente, entonces debemos siempre con nuestro cerebro, nuestra inteligencia, controlar la mente. Y a través de eso entonces vamos a poder aceptar las instrucciones de Guru y seguir siguiendo estas instrucciones apropiadamente, practicándolas. Entonces a partir de allí podemos entrar en la sombra de sus pies de loto.
Yes, any other question? From where?
Singapore, Maharaj, Shankar Prabhu. Maharaj, I have a question.
Yes.
Question. The song written by Narottama Das Thakur. Ibara Sarva Guru Vaishnava Gosai, the song. In the song.
What song? What song?
Ibara Karuna Guru Vaishnava.
হ্যাঁ এইবারও করুণা করো বৈষ্ণব গোসাই. হ্যাঁ.
Yes. In the song, Maharaj, the number 4 verse, Haristane Aparade Sare Hari Nama Sumastane Aparade Nahiko Idana. Okay. Then if anyone commit any sin, Krishna, maybe Krishna can forgive, but one commit a sin to Gurudev, then how can he come out from that offense?
Actually, somebody making offense to Guru and how they will overcome from that offense, huh?
Yes.
He will go and surrender. He will forgiveness his offense. Guru is khamashil. He will go to the Guru with full surrender and tell, I did some offense. Please forgive my offense.
Okay, Maharaj. Thanks, Maharaj.
Dhanyavad. Any other?
Dhanyavad Maharaj. This is Radha Krishna from Monterrey, Mexico.
Mexico.
Yes.
Okay. Who is telling?
Sorry?
What is your name, please?
Radha Krishna Das.
Radha Krishna Das. Okay.
Yes, Maharaj. Sometimes we preach to people, but they say that only Bible it's the correct book for them. That other books that are not real. I don't know how to explain that. There's more than that.
This question, you read Srimad Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first books, Srimadam Bhagavatam Gita, you can tell everything to them. What is their limitation? Bible what telling? What is their limitation? And you can tell them. They will tell, but you are going to selling to your things, then you will preach your way, because they are preaching about Bible. They will tell some shopkeeper is okay, my shop sweet is very nice, and other people will tell my sweet also very nice. But who is testing? Your Bible is telling that you can play football with Krishna, but our scripture telling you can join with us, you can play football with Krishna. Bible is telling that? No. That you join with Krishna consciousness and you can play football, you can feed Krishna, you can bathing Krishna, you can bathing the Lord, you can play with football or cricket with Krishna, no problem.
Dhanyavad Maharaj.
Dhanyavad.
Maharaj, I have a question.
Yes.
Thank you, Maharaj.
Thank you.
Maharaj, I have a question, Maharaj. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad, yes. Philippine, yes. Tell me.
Yes, Maharaj, I have a question.
Yes, tell.
If I am invited to one of our members' home as they are doing program, but I find devotees from other mission, what should I do?
Okay. So that they are doing some program in their center.
Tell me the question. You are making the program in your center. Then?
No, Maharaj. If I'm invited to the
Oh, you invited. Yes, you invited. And then?
from one of the members of the members of the SES Mat. And then when I was there, I see some devotees from other mission. What should I do?
What should other mission? If they are okay, they are following Krishna consciousness, they are respecting to our Guru, you can make the program there.
But what if they are offensive to our Guru? What can I do, Maharaj?
You have to leave that place.
Okay. Thank you, Maharaj. Thank you. Now I know. Thank you, Maharaj.
Dhanyavad Maharaj. I have one question. Last Sunday you were talking about Srila Ramananda Roy, Ramananda Samvad.
Yes,
you mentioned
yes.
that you would say
I
some
forgot
more,
that
if it's possible.
I forgot that today. Rai Ramananda Sangvad, yes, very nice. Dukkha moddhe kon dukkha baro. What is the sad? Who will diet? Your father died, mother died. Krishna biraho bina dukkha na dekhiyar. We are separation from the Lord, that is the too much sadness. That is Rai Ramananda telling. Understand? And so many question and answer is going from Chaitanya Charitamrita. Okay, give that books, Upadeshamrita. Rai Ramananda Sangvad I am reading. Very nice, Rai Ramananda Sangvad. Ramananda Rai is the incarnation of Vishakha. And Ramananda Rai, Mahaprabhu first time meet in bank of the Godavari, South India. And Mahaprabhu waiting for him. And Rai Ramananda is the big minister of there, and he is bringing so many people. And Mahaprabhu understand this is the Rai Ramananda. And Mahaprabhu showing his Oishwarya. Maharaj, what is the Oishwarya means? Shanta Maharaj?
Maharaj, Oishwarya means opulence.
Opulence. Mahaprabhu showing his opulence. And Rai Ramananda immediately came and pay obeisance, and Mahaprabhu hugging to him. And so many, there are Brahmin, and they are telling this Sannyasi, why he is embracing to Rai Ramananda. He is the lower caste. But Mahaprabhu knows who is the Rai Ramananda. And that time, Rasaraj Mahabhav Chaitanya Sarup. This Mahaprabhu Rasaraj Mahabhav Chaitanya Swarup is Mahaprabhu is the combined form of Srimati Radharani and Krishna's combined form. He is showing that to there. To Rai Ramananda. And Rai Ramananda is little felted. And after that, Mahaprabhu told Ram Rai, I am going after South India visiting, I will go to Puri and you will meet with me. And Rai Ramananda always, he is the doing job of King Pratap Rudra, and Pratap Rudra's main man is the Rai Ramananda, and Rai Ramananda telling, Prabhu, can I go to Mahaprabhu, can I some service to there? And Mahaprabhu told, Pratap Rudra told to Rai Ramananda, you will go all time to Mahaprabhu, stay with him, and I will give you full salary. And Rai Ramananda was staying in the last times of with Swarup Damodar, and Rai Ramananda was staying with Mahaprabhu. And is telling some Krishna Katha about anything. And Rai Ramananda wants to hear, Mahaprabhu wants to hear from Rai Ramananda. And Mahaprabhu himself telling those things. Actually Rai Ramananda's mouth. That is many things. On time another history happened. Pradyumna Mishra and Brahmin, he wanted to listen some Hari Katha, Krishna Katha. And he went to Pradyumna Mishra, went to Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu told, I do not know Krishna Katha. More than he knows, Rai Ramananda knows it. And Mahakrishna and Pratap Rudra went there. Pradyumna Mishra went there. And Rai Ramananda was busy for service because so many dancers, so many ladies, 14 years, 18 years, 19 years, 12 years, that lady, how they are wearing the sari, how they will dance, how they will make the garland, all teachings in the garden. And Pradyumna Mishra waiting, and somebody told he is busy. And this service, and Pradyumna Mishra not very happy because I came to listen some Krishna Katha, and this from Rai Ramananda, Mahaprabhu told Rai Ramananda's name, and Rai Ramananda is teaching to wearing to sari to the girl, young girl, and Rai Ramananda is touching his sacred place, their sacred place, and Pradyumna Mishra came to Mahaprabhu, and Mahaprabhu told, did you hear Krishna Katha? And Pradyumna Mishra told no. And Mahaprabhu understood that you cannot understand who is Rai Ramananda. When Rai Ramananda is teaching to the dancing with the mixing with the ladies, that time he thinking he is not a man. He is thinking he became a gopi. He became a gopi. You can go again. And Pradyumna Mishra went again to listen Krishna Katha to Rai Ramananda, and Rai Ramananda told, please forgive my offense, yesterday I was busy, I cannot meet with you. Then what is the question? And question and answer is going on. All question and answer is going on, and whole night finished, coming sun rising, and prasadam, both of them forgetting the prasadam. His whole night passed to listening the Hari Katha, constantly the Krishna Katha. And then Pradyumna Mishra came to Mahaprabhu, yes Prabhu, you are sending me to the perfect place, actually who knows Krishna Katha. That is Rai Ramananda, and Rai Ramananda Sangbad, there is Chaitanya Charitamrita had so many question and answer, and that is question and answer, Rai Ramananda's Paro, and is told Paro Solok Bornir Nirnay, Paro Solok Saidhira Nirnay. He write Paro Solok Saidhira Nirnay. He told, Rai Ramananda told বর্ণাশ্রম ধর্ম হইতে কৃষ্ণ ভক্তি হয়। He told first বর্ণাশ্রম ধর্ম ব্রহ্মচর্য গারস্থ বানপ্রস্থ. In this way he is telling কর্ম মিশ্রা ভক্তি, then জ্ঞান মিশ্রা ভক্তি, then জ্ঞান শূন্য শুদ্ধ ভক্তি. When he is telling কর্ম মিশ্রা ভক্তি, Mahaprabhu told এহো বাহ্য আগে কহ আর, you leave it, you go forward. After that he told জ্ঞান মিশ্রা ভক্তি, Mahaprabhu told you leave it, go forward. And he told জ্ঞান শূন্য ভক্তি, okay, it can be happen. Then more and more. He telling, explain, after that sugar cane you take the juice. After that you can take the sugar, then candy. It is more and more you tasty. Understand? After that he telling, lastly he telling it is Shantaras, Dasyaras, Shaikyaras, and finally he is telling Madhur Ras. Finally he is telling about the Madhur Ras. That is Ramananda explained in front of Mahaprabhu. Understand? I am telling, describing very shortly. It is very big chapter. Understand? What is the main substance I am telling to you. Okay, Prabhu?
Thank you very much, Maharaj.
Yes.
Dandavats.
Any other question? Anybody?
Dandavats, Maharaj, yes.
Who is there?
Pregunta.
Mathuranath. Okay. Bogota.
No,
Brasil.
Brazil, Mathuranath. Okay.
Mathuranath, Brasil. Dandavats, Lecharya.
Yes.
Damodar Prabhu tiene pregunta.
Yes, Damodar Prabhu. What is the...
Damodar Prabhu, Sad Maharaj, Damodar quiere preguntar si tenemos el libre albedrío en el proceso de práctica espiritual y redención. Hoy ya hemos nacido en este cuerpo con nuestro avance espiritual predeterminado.
If we have free will in our practice, we came to this practice because our free will, or this is coming from our previous life that is already the faith is already
That's something.
is already like set. That was our free will that we are coming to the practice because of that.
Yes, something is purva sukriti, purva janmer sukriti. Through the sukriti is previous karma, you got some sukriti and you got the good association. And through the association is practicing properly, and that is your will, free will. It is not set up. Actually, if you take initiation, only you admit in the school, but you will never pass in the school without education, without study, without going to college, without. For this, you take initiation and you have to practicing properly. Practicing means ওই সাধু সঙ্গ নাম সংকীর্তন ভাগবত সেবন মথুরাবার শ্রদ্ধায় শ্রীমূর্তি সেবন 64 types of bhaktango. How much you can practice that? That is necessary. Otherwise, without service, you cannot go in the goal, or you cannot reach proper way, proper place.
Srilacharya Dev. I have a question.
Gauranga.
Puri Maharaj.
Puri Maharaj. Okay.
Dandavats Acharya.
Dandavat.
You was explained in the some part of the Mahaprabhu talking with Ramananda Roy Ramananda Roy is Vishaka. By the Chaitanya Charitamrita, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met Ramananda Roy, he told in the Dwapara Yuga, who was Pandu Maharaj. He songs of the 5 Pandavas.
Who is the Bali Maharaj? Who is the Bali Maharaj?
No, Pandu.
He told to Ramananda Roy's father, Bhavananda Roy.
Oh, Bhavananda Roy, yes.
Yeah, and Mahaprabhu was talking with
Bhavananda, yes, Bhavananda Roy, yes. You are the Pancho Pandav, Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul.
And Ramananda Roy was Arjun. How we can understand?
Mahaprabhu is telling to Rai Ramananda, you are the Pancho Pandav. Like this he are telling. Understand? And actually Rai Ramananda is the incarnation of Vishaka.
Maharaj, sometimes saying we are understanding Vishaka, but saying sometimes also having within him Arjuna.
Yes.
Both Vishaka and sometimes also
Arjuna.
showing the quality
Yes,
of
yes,
Arjuna.
yes, yes. धन्यवाद त्रिविक्रम महाराज. त्रिविक्रम महाराज धन्यवाद.
Dandavats Maharaj, Dandavats.
Dandavat.
I'm happy to see you.
Very nice. I am very happy. Okay. Oh, Trivikram Maharaj.
Yes.
I have one question to you. When I went to the campus Jodda, the ashram, that one devotee, what is the name? Premo, what is the name? Premanando, who is living in near your ashram, Premanando. I am not getting any news from him. Where is he now?
Well, he lives in a town nearby.
But he not any contact, any letter, nothing doing.
Well, so many devotees, they come and then they leave like this, Maharaj. What can I say? Who is living here with me is Nrsimha Prabhu. You remember the boy who fell in the pool?
Yes, I understood. Gurudev told me.
So he lives with me now. He's the main devotee here, serving the deities, cooking, serving in the garden, all around servitor. And his wife Anushri, both are living here with me.
No, I am asking the Premanando. He has 2 children.
Yes,
Where is Premanando?
Premananda now is having the 4th child now.
Oh.
That's I know. His wife, of course.
Oh.
Not Premananda, his wife.
For that he is busy.
Yes. He's busy.
He is very busy.
Hotel. Yes.
Maharaj, I will tell him you asked about him.
Okay. Actually, what is conception is going on, Mahaprabhu and Rai Ramananda and Swarup Damodar, and that's why when Srimati Radharani, when Krishna left Vrindavan, Srimati Radhika is what kind of position happened, and that time and Vishaka and Lolita only giving nourishment to Srimati Radharani. Understand? In this way, Mahaprabhu also that kind of separation happened. Understand? Mahaprabhu, that kind of separation happened. Kaha jai, kota jai, kaha gale, Krishna pai. Understand? Always telling this Chaitanya Charitamrita writing. And Srimadam Bhagavatam also, if you study in Gopi Geet, you can see the how much separation is Gopi have separation for Krishna. And here also Mahaprabhu broken his head and so much blood is coming from his mouth. And he always fall down and always felt and always thinking about Krishna. Then she and Mahaprabhu is becoming that time Srimati Radhika, and she is searching Krishna. And Raya Ramananda and Swarup Damodar always giving nourishment, giving some Krishna Katha, giving some things and sometimes peace. And when Swarup Damodar and Raya Ramananda left that place evening time, and Mahaprabhu is whole night is becoming very sick. Very, not sick, he is showing his sickness. So much problem. For that, in this way, Kavi Karnapur is writing.
Maharaj,
yes.
They also put a Shankar Pandit in the room to
Yes.
make sure that Mahaprabhu wouldn't do that.
Yes. In the Gambhira that happened, for that Kavi Karnapur is writing Gaur Ganoddesh Deepika. This Raya Ramananda is the incarnation of Vishakha. Any other question from anybody?
Dandavats Maharaj, Krishna Kumar from Colombia.
Yes.
I have a question in Spanish, Maharaj.
Yes, no problem. I have many Spanish men is here. They can understand English.
Paipa, Maharaj, Colombia.
Paipa,
Y es de la
yes.
Iglesia del Señor
Tell me.
Ucrania. Y existe el anhelo de toda la comunidad de construir el templo y pues que por misericordia de Gurudev se manifiesten las deidades. El sitio es campestre, es rural y por tanto la alcaldía, la autoridad no da el permiso para construir allí. Nuestra pregunta puntual, Maharaj, es: ¿debemos respetar esa norma de la autoridad o es nuestro deber construir el templo así la alcaldía no la autorizara?
They have already the land in Paipa, but they want to construct the temple, to build the temple. But there is some rules about the government. They cannot build one temple in that place because it's a rural place, it's a farm. So he's asking if they have to follow the government rule or we must build the temple.
No, government rule, it is, if you make the temple and government will stop later, you will lose your money. What government telling, you must follow that. You must follow that, the rules. Understand? And you can buy the land to other place.
Disculpe, así nos podría traducir, Maharaj.
Sí, que...
Pero una cosa, él está diciendo que tiene que seguir las leyes del gobierno, porque si no, tú puedes construir un templo y ellos lo pueden destruir. Pero también existe, si no sé la palabra de Colombia, si se puede dar una mordida, ¿cómo se dice?
Soborno.
Una propina a la persona apropiada para que den permiso. Si no, no pueden construir sin permiso del gobierno.
Maharaj, Janarda Maharaj, ¿te refieres a un soborno?
Soborno.
Sí, sí. Maharaj, I told them what you said, that you have to follow the laws of the government. I said, unless you can find the right person to bribe. If you can pay the right person a bribe, then maybe you can build the temple. Otherwise, it's not possible.
I do not know the country's situation.
Thanks, Maharaj.
Okay, any other news? Any other question? Harichandan from where? Harichandan? Murali Mohan from where?
He says Venezuela, but he's living in Mexico.
Mexico, Murali Mohan, Mexico. Any other question?
Dandavas, una pregunta, Dandavas, Maharaj.
Sí, Visakha.
Vishakha.
Hola, Haribol, Maharaj, Dandavas.
Dandavati, dígame.
Muy feliz de verlo ahorita.
Costa Rica.
Mi pregunta va centrada que últimamente he sufrido porque al tomar leche me recuerdo y ofrecérselo a Krishna, a Gurudev. He sufrido mucho pensando en la matanza de las vacas. ¿Cómo puedo yo sanar para no ir en contra de, porque sé que a Krishna le encanta pues la leche, pero yo sufro demasiado al tomarla, al pensar cuando la estoy tomando en el maltrato de las vacas.
Okay. You say that always she is drinking milk, but when she is drinking milk, the milk that she's offering to the Krishna or Guru, she's drinking the milk and she's remembering that to obtain that milk, the cows are suffering so much. She's thinking about the suffering, about the cows.
So they are using machine for getting the milk. Then the cows are suffering so much.
So he wants to avoid this mentality and try to serve with the milk to the...
No problem. You can, that milk you can offering to the Lord, that is prasadam. Then you are not drinking milk, you are drinking prasadam.
Que no hay problema, Vishakha, que esa leche que tú estás tomando debes pensar que no es solo leche, sino que lo estás ofreciendo al Señor y por lo tanto eso es prasadam. Estás tomando eso del Señor.
Maharaj, I was remembering one answer you gave to one man in Nepal. He was a cow protector and he was telling about cow protection to you, and you told that if cow can sacrifice its body for Krishna service, and cow will get some benefit.
Okay, that is same. Very nice. I told that. Yes, I told that. Cow also service for the cow is giving sacrifice his body to the Lord. Everything is in this world existing, it is service for the Lord. What cows, even mosquito is also. Any purpose, Krishna giving birth, any purpose, they have some, behind have some idea. Krishna have so many idea. We have puppy brain. We have what kind of, we have puppy brain. How much I can think? Krishna is the absolute. And he has so much idea. How can I think that? He giving Karuna, he giving the cyclone. That is his desire. It is, we are puppy brain. How much we can think for that?
Maharaj, I was reading one science article. There it was telling that scientists were thinking before that all the life forms, they are controlled by the DNA, and now they found out that DNA is not controlling everything, because you have this, cancer gene or in diabetic gene, but why that gene is not expressed before, why it is expressed now? They say that, there is some environmental signal. So it is environment which is controlling. So in Gita it is told that Krishna is the controlling the environment. So
Yes.
ultimately, they are losing the control, what they wanted to do through DNA.
Of course, correct. They lose. What Srimad Bhagavad Gita Krishna told, everything is existing, everything is correct. 200% correct. Question from anybody?
Maharaj, I have a question again, please. You have many disciples around the world. Can anyone use SES Mat name?
What?
Okay, I repeat. You have many disciples around the world. Can anyone, this is my question, Maharaj, can anyone use SES Mat name?
Why? Why not?
Without asking you to use the name? Is it necessary to ask you first before use the name SES Mat?
I have no any objection if asking me or not. If they asking me, that is good. If not asking, I have no any objection. I have no any objection. I am always thinking that devotee is always doing service under the guidance of Guru, under guidance of SCS Mott. Then they can use the SCS Mott. What is the problem? If somebody is using the SCS Mott name and doing nonsense, then we will not tolerate that.
Okay, Maharaj.
We will give objection.
Yes. Yeah. You answered my question, Maharaj. Thank you, Maharaj. Thank you.
Maharaj, I understood that like SCS Mott name given in London, there they are allowing use SCS Mott name. And elsewhere, maybe there are some exception, like I think in Salt Lake City also they have that name. But in general, I thought Srila Govindamar said that they should use the name Ashram instead of Mott.
Yes, yes.
Like Sri Chaitanya Saraswat Sri Chaitanya Saraswat Ashram.
Yes, yes.
And I know in London they have the name SCS Mott, and also I think in Salt Lake City. But I don't know anywhere, I don't know other places, but you're saying it's okay, but if you were the Acharya, if you say it's okay.
But Maharaj, if somebody is our opposition group, we are not thinking anybody is our opposition, but actually we have enemies ourselves, inside so many enemies ourselves. For that we are thinking if somebody using our SCS Mott and if going the proper preaching they are doing the proper using this, I have no any objection for that.
Maharaj, hay una pregunta de un devoto de habla inglesa, KD, no sé el nombre.
From where?
Él dice, no, I don't know.
He doesn't put his spiritual name in his user, Gurudev.
Okay.
Can you ask the question? Yes.
Question?
He says, when offer here, your divine grace say that we can read certain things in Chaitanya Charitamrita or Srimad Bhagavatam, and at the same time we hear that reading scriptures on your own can be the same as reading a newspaper. How to harmonize that?
Actually, that is telling what is the example, what you are doing, what you are reading, it is under guidance of Guru, that is good. That is good. That is the answer. What you are doing under guidance of your Guru, that is good. Otherwise, it is like you are reading Bhagavatam, you have no quality and qualification to read that Bhagavatam. You get permission from your guru. That can I read Srimad Bhagavatam? If you thinking you are capable to explain, to read, to understand, then he will give the direction. He will give to read Srimad Bhagavatam. What is the problem? But it is necessary to do something under guidance of Guru. That is necessary. Understand? When I was a brahmachari, and I did not give any class before Gurudev telling. Gurudev told, you can read Chaitanya Charitamrita night time. And I start to read. When I am my already 6 years past, I am living in 6 years in the temple. 6 years in the temple, and living 6 years in the temple, and after that Gurudev told me, you can read Chaitanya Charitamrita. And Gurudev told me, he told you can read Gauriya Kanthahar also. And Gurudev telling that without guidance of Guru, you are doing Srimad Bhagavatam, it is like reading his newspaper. Understand? Ashram Maharaj. Dandavat, Srila Ashram Maharaj. Dandavat. Dandavat, Srila Ashram Maharaj.
¿Dónde está Ashram Maharaj?
Dandavat, Dandavat.
Dandavat a todos los devotos. Maharaj, we heard that you got some hurricane the other day. Okay, now everything is okay?
Yes, everything is okay, Maharaj. Only Tarokeshwar temple, that Goshala not fall down, it is take out and remove. Understand, in the roof they take out, but cows are okay.
The new Goshala.
New Goshala, Tarokeshwar. They remove the roof.
Okay. Very strong.
Yes, very strong wind, but cows are okay. Now today I starting reconstruction today. I start today.
The cows?
Cows are okay, cows no problem. Cows no any heat. On roof fall down to other place, not in the cows. Krishna protect his cows.
Okay. All right, Maharaj. He protects his cows, his ashram, himself.
Yes.
We got some strong wind 2 days ago, and also our internet was destroyed.
Yes, here also, Maharaj. There is in Bengal 150,000 electric pole fall down. But we are lucky, same day we got the electricity. But other places, no electricity. But our temple everywhere have only Ganga Sagar. Ganga Sagar, no electricity, no internet. Other places have.
That storm happened in the whole Bengal?
All Bengal now, south part through Calcutta, Nadia, south part.
Didn't affect Navadip?
Little bit Navadip, yes. Our Nishingopolli, 2 trees fall down in the Nishingodev place, but not hitting our house building. Other place fall down. Nearby our building, but not problem our house.
Well, happy to see you.
Dandavad, we are also happy to see you, Maharaj. Everybody is here. Any other question from anybody?
Hey, Ashram Maharaj.
Yes.
Where was the storm there? Where was the storm in Yucatan?
Yucatan. Well, I mean, at least here in Tikul, where we are, it was very strong. but just for a short time. Happily, because it will continue for a long time, then it will cause severe damage. But it was just for a short time. It is not like a hurricane, nothing like that. Just like una tromba, no, like a very short, short storm.
And here is starting from 2:30, and Calcutta finishing 9 a.m. 9 p.m. 7 hours.
Well, that is the difficulty, Maharaj. These are like hurricane.
Yes. And Calcutta big tree, 5,000 fall down. 5,000 tree.
And the electric poles. Electric poles.
Yes. Some Krishnachura, Radhachura, big tree in Park Street, Krishnachura, Radhachura, all trees we lost. We will not see again.
Gurudev, Acharya Maharaj.
Yes.
You know, here also where we live in SoCal is when it comes rain, sometimes a lot of trees fall down. So 2 years ago on Srila Govinda Maharaj's appearance day, one tree fell on the road in one place in front of us, and one tree fell on the road behind us. So nobody could come to Gurudev's festival because the road was blocked on both sides of the temple. Only some people could come. They could walk around. They could walk around the trees, but not bring their cars.
Singapore. Satyabhama, Singapore. Satyabhama. Singapore. Satyabhama, Singapore.
Dandavad Maharaj, I have last question. Can I have a last question?
Yes.
Maharaj, can I have a last question?
Yes.
Yes. You mentioned, Maharaj, we can read the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Chaitanya Bhagavat, Srimad Bhagavatam. My question is, can we read the purport also?
Yes, no problem.
Okay.
No problem.
Acharya Maharaj, when the devotees asked Govinda Maharaj, he said, yes, you can read Chaitanya Charitamrita, and then they asked Srimad Bhagavatam, and he said, you can read Srimad Bhagavatam if you read it from start to finish, and every purport, everything that's there written, you can read Srimad Bhagavatam, but you have to start at the beginning and go all the way through and read all the purports.
Yes.
That's what he told.
It takes long before you finish the whole book.
Dandavad Maharaj.
Dandavad.
Thank you, Maharaj. Thank you. Thank you for that.
Satyabhama.
Dandavad Maharaj.
Who is speaking?
How are you? Satyabhama.
From Singapore.
Yes, Maharaj. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am fine, Maharaj. Thank you. I have Mama also online listening to you.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Who is listening?
Take care, Maharaj.
Okay.
His mama.
Okay. Very nice. Amalendu, today Amalendu not here?
I'm here, Maharaj. Dandavad.
Amalendu, okay. Very nice. Good. That is Gaurangi. Gaurangi is here.
Dandavad, Acharya Maharaj.
Dandavad.
I'm very happy to see you.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay. And Who else? London Temple, anybody there?
Gurudev, please I said my Dandavat.
Dandavat.
I just want to read to you some words a devotee of Duitama that read in the chat. And he said, I just want you to know that we exist. We are a family of little or no association with devotees, and that is why perhaps His Divine Grace doesn't know about us. At His lotus feet, Harichandan Das, Rupasri Didi, Indira Didi, and Krishnanandana Das. Please never forget us, even if we are always the last.
No problem, no problem. Prabhu, you always.
Thank you, Gurudev.
Everybody in my heart, no problem. Harichandan from from Colombia. From Colombia, yes. Madhavendra Puri.
Hay algunas preguntas pendientes en el chat, Acharya.
Acharya Ratno. Question. Madhavendra Puri. Madhavendra Puri Das. Sleeping.
No, Maharaj, I do have a question.
Question. Question, yes, tell me. Lolita? Madhavendra, you have question? Who has question?
Yeah, Madhavendra Puri from Colombia. Me, Madhavendra Puri from Colombia.
Colombia, tell me.
Maharaj, Dandavas.
Dandavat.
All devotees Dandavas, all Maharaj Dandavas. Maharaj, sometimes we are we are doing our service with enthusiasm, and with the time we start to lose that enthusiasm. So my question is, how to keep that enthusiastic service? How to keep us enthusiastic in the service?
That is, if you thinking always service, if you chanting the holy name, thinking about Gurudev, then enthusiasm will never lost. Understand? You will make yourself busy for the service. Even you are alone not doing anything, that time also you will think for the service. Then you will not lose the service, not lose the enthusiasm. Okay?
Jai Maharaj, Dandavas. Thank you very much.
Dandavas.
Maharaj, sorry, Satyabhama, I have a question. For dating outfit, when we saw outfit for Radharani, can she wear white? Can we sew a complete white outfit for Radharani?
No problem.
Possible. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Pranam, Gurudev.
Jamuna Priya. Jamuna.
¿Cómo estás, Gurudev? Tengo una pregunta para usted. A ver si me da la posibilidad, pues de pronto, Sadhu Maharaj o alguno de los ahí para que me haga bien la traducción al inglés, por favor. En una conferencia que dio Srila Govinda Maharaj, habla acerca de que en las escrituras nadie puede reconocer a un Vaishnava. La pregunta mía es, ¿quién es un Vaishnava y quién no es un Vaishnava? Y pues quería que usted me diera un poquito más como de aclaración en ese concepto, por favor. Muchas gracias.
So she's asking how we can recognize who is Vaishnava and who is not.
Yes, that is, I am also telling sometimes. It is, you cannot understand truly, but by the mercy of Gurudev, you can recognize and who is the Vaishnava, who is not Vaishnava. But even you sing who is chanting on time, he is the Vaishnava, he is chanting regularly, he also Vaishnava. And যাকে দেখলে মুখে আইসে কৃষ্ণ নাম তাকে জানিও তুমি বৈষ্ণব প্রধান, who is the highest Vaishnava. If you sing him, your mouth Hare Krishna is coming, that is the highest Vaishnava. In this way, and sometimes is their activities and their service mood is, you can see and you can watch properly and you can understand easily who is not Vaishnava. And even Brahma told, I am unable to recognize to the Vaishnava. Understand? Or is it little difficult for us? But only proper Vaishnava, who is the proper Vaishnava, he can recognize who is the Vaishnava. Understand? For that, even sometimes big scholar, big bona fide guru also, they also could not recognize who is the great Vaishnava. But sometimes by the mercy of Gurudev, by the mercy of Vaishnavas, then we can recognize too their, how their capacity be humble, tolerance and give honor to others. And in the Vaishnava, he will not tell I am a Vaishnava. He will always humble soul, humble servant. He will think I am the foot dust of the Vaishnava, that is my capacity. In this kind of quality you who have, then he is the Vaishnava. Understand? Arjun Krishna.
Primero, saludos a los Maharaj, gracias por la traducción que vas a hacer. Quiero en este momento aprovechar de pedirle disculpas por todas las ofensas que he cometido desde que estoy en esta escuela. Que trato de luchar con mi mente, seguir en entusiasmo, ¿verdad? En no detener, no romper la inspiración. Quería darle también la noticia de que hay amigos en Venezuela que están muy interesados en la conciencia de Cristo. Hay un hermano en Caracas que está haciendo el CASI y así, y que lo amo mucho y quisiera un día poder también darle un poquito de afecto. Es muchísimo el afecto que él nos da a nosotros. Quisiera poder darle afecto en verdad genuino y que deseo también todo el bien de él, no solo pedirle, sino que poder darle algo. Y que en verdad disculpe mis ofensas, solo soy un bajo secreto.
He just wants to express his feelings that please forgive his offense, that he's trying to do some service with enthusiasm, some inspiration, that he has some friends that through his preaching they are interested in increasing consciousness, that he's trying to do the best he can, that he's thinking also that you are giving so much affection to him. He wants to give some affection to you also. Please forgive my offense, and I love you so much.
Gracias.
Dandavat.
Dandavat. This.
Dandavat.
Madhupati.
Yes.
Yes, Madhupati.
Yes, I am very happy to see you. I have a question. It's about in the Guru Maharaj's song. There is one verse that says that Tulasi Malika Haste Srinama Grahana Dek Kalera Hoy Prabhu Dipana. And it says something like, by seeing you with the beads, it remember us to our Lord. What Lord shall we remember? Saraswati Thakur or Lord Krishna or who?
তুলসী মালিকা হস্তে শ্রীনাম গ্রহণ দেখি প্রভুর মনে কি দেখি প্রভুর দেখি হ্যাঁ that is when chanting when দেখি সকলের হয় প্রভু উদ্দীপন লাইক দেখি সকলেরও হয় প্রভু উদ্দীপন it is like Prabhu, like everybody is understood he is the like our master. Understand, everybody is when he is chanting the holy name and showing his mood, and everybody is thinking he is my master. Understand, সকলের হয় প্রভু উদ্দীপন, not Prabhupada, not Lord. Prabhu উদ্দীপন, this everybody thinking that Siddhar Maharaj is my master, is Guru Maharaj, my Prabhu, my master.
Thank you, I understand. Thank you so much.
This song is Gurudev writing.
Yes.
Gurudev writing for Guru Maharaj.
Yes, Jai.
Okay, today I am closing everybody. Next week again we will meet with you. We will try to every Sunday. Dandavad Srila Ashram Maharaj, Srila Janardhan Maharaj.